This afternoon, we're in Northwest Lakeland at the beautiful community of Lake James. This is a 55 and over community built by Ernie White, who has been building homes in Polk County for, I don't even know, over 25, 30 years. He's a great builder, does a wonderful job with the construction of the home. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go take a look at it. Today, we're at 8107 Lake James. And again, this is listed by my teammate, Rusty Chenault from eXp Realty. And Rusty is a great realtor. If you want his contact information, it is right here. What a cool sign. You could call Rusty or myself to see this home, ask for more details, and answer any other questions you have. Again, Lake James is a gated community here in Northwest Lakeland, close to shopping, close to schools. Right up here, not gonna really be able to see it really good, but there is a huge clubhouse. There's a pool. There's a nice walking sidewalk all the way around the neighborhood. Very quiet, very well kept up. By the way, part of your annual HOA dues are that they do cover the lawn care, which is wonderful. And just a nice area, nice, solid, quiet area. So let's go take a look at this home. You're gonna see a couple things. It's got a nice deluxe landscape package on the outside. Very well manicured. This is a one-owner home built in 2005. It's in tremendous condition. 2-car garage. Let's take a look. A little over 1,500 square feet. And Ernie White does such a good job. Quality construction. It's a very well-built home. All of his homes are. Nice open floor plan. You're gonna see all the little fine touches. Let me even kick up here to the foyer area. Look at the woodwork here above the door. The crown molding right up in the tray ceiling. So you got the dining area here with ceramic tile flooring. Wood flooring right in this area. So let's go take a look at the floor plan and how this works out. So as you can see, first of all, crown molding everywhere, room for your TV, all your equipment. Now, not only does it have a room for a dining table here, there's another area you can also eat, but look at the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Love these countertops and these cabinets. Take a look at this granite. That is a really slick color. That is a hot color, if I would say so. Got the black sink, got the farm sink here, or the black faucet. Really pops very nicely done. And you've got the fridge, more cabinets this way. Your laundry room is right here. Full-size washer dryer. Cabinets above it, you got the glass block for natural lighting. And then really just a couple different pantry areas here for food storage. And then usually we don't show garages, but this one is kind of worthy of it because look what they had done. Nice epoxy. It is literally brand new. Look at this epoxy flooring. Guys, I know you're kind of going, giving it that little chant there because this is really not good to rinse off, good for wear and tear. And it just kind of does something for the garage. Garage door opener there. You've got your electrical panel, your water heater out in the garage. Ceramic tile flooring as you walk in this way. All right, let's keep going. Again, straight ahead, this is the other area that you could use for eating space. You have the wainscoting this way, which is really nice. And then you can put a nice round kitchen nook table overlooking the screen of the night. We're gonna go out there in a little bit. There's one entrance that way, and there's some sliding glass doors. Nice private backyard. Again, they are bringing the crown molding all the way around in this area too. So well-appointed 1,500 and something square feet. Let's head to the rear of the home. This is the master bedroom area. Again, they're running this flooring, really nice flooring all the way through the master bedroom for durability. Big windows, lots of natural light. And then this has a French door leading into the lanai, so many access points to that. And then you have 2 walk-in closets. Heading into the master suite. Let's go up here, and they've got some built-ins, which is great. Good for shoes. This one is pretty much the same, but it does have the additional shelving this way, about the same size. And this has the shower, walk-in shower. It's in great condition. You can tell it's a one-owner home because, boy, look at the tile. It's been very well taken care of. It looks immaculate. And then this is you got double sink. This is gonna be a Corian. Looks great with the white cabinets. Let's try to get this, see the double lights. And then the toilet room, the water closet or toilet room area with the atrium lighting or the window. Put a TV up here in the corner if you want to. They've got a cable so you can mount one up that way if you'd like. Again, these are the little touches that's really nice too. Okay, so let's go see the other bedroom. But before we get the other bedroom, here's a bonus. When you first, again, this is walking toward the front door. When you walk this way, look at this built-in desk. This is really nice. Large area too. Put your computer, desktop, laptop, storage. Here's your office right here. That's all you need. And it's right off of the other hall bathroom and the second bedroom. This is the front bedroom. Carpet's in great shape, looks to be brand new. Nice size bedroom. 2 windows, window treatments included. It's a nice quiet room. And then over here into the other full bathroom. Tub shower combination. Nicely done, tile all the way up to the ceiling. As you can see, this has been painted. It's a nice, tasteful color. You have the obscure window for privacy. Again, you've got Corian here with the white cabinets, nice touch. This home is immaculate. All you'd have to do is move in this home. And then let's go check out this room 9. This is very impressive because it's fully screened. And look at the privacy back here. So first of all, how about that flooring? That is what you call Flowcrete, and it's been painted, it's fresh, and what they do is they outline it like tile. It's not tile, it is like a Flowcrete. And so it's concrete that they stain and they design. It's really nice. You should look at it again, the screen porch goes all the way this way, so plenty of room. And it's got a nice backyard. Let's take a look back here. This is the sidewalk way back here, right in the back. Let's just walk on back here. So you want to go get some exercise, get outside for the day, get out and get that walking in to strengthen up your bones, and get outside, get some vitamin D. Come here and just hit the sidewalk right in the back. Here's the rear of the home. This goes all the way around here. Great neighborhood. Fantastic location, close to I-4. You've got Publix right up the road. You've got the Lakeland Mall right up the road, and all the shopping you need. They did the mulch around the outside, which is nice, meaning against the house. Get the plants away from the house. Irrigation system, I see that. So every upgrade you can imagine. This home is really priced nicely. Call to inquire about that. Rusty or myself would love to show you this home, give you more information about the community, about Lake James, and about, more in particular, this home. Hope you've enjoyed this tour, and we would love to connect with you, our team at Rhodes Stevens. Again, Rusty Chenault, listing agent, myself, Brian Stevens, would be happy to help. Have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful home tour here in Lake James. I would love to connect with you about all of your real estate needs. All my contact information is right below. There's my cell phone. There's a link to connect with me for a call. Let's chat, talk about your real estate needs. And if you've enjoyed this walkthrough, do me a favor. If you would subscribe to this channel, click the notification button whenever I drop more video walkthroughs like this one, you'll get notified. Have a great day. God bless.